Police and investigators are crucial at crime scenes. But did you know that these departments don't actually mop up the aftermath of a violent death? In the past, victims' families had to face the chore of crime scene cleanup. But today, more and more private companies are being called in for a price. In this Santa Monica house, a man in his 80s lies dead. For months, his body undiscovered and decomposing. Now, the heart-wrenching cleanup.
We clean up after homicide, suicide, decomposition, any biohazard or body fluid.
This is the macabre aftermath of a murder, suicide, or bloody accident. Most people don't know who to call for help to clean up this horrific scene. And grieving family members are often left to scrub the mess that a murder leaves behind.
We want to help people through a difficult time. It could be rough for the family if it's one of their family members or someone they cared for.
Michael Nicholson of LA's Clean Scene says disease and stench can linger if a chilling crime scene is not cleaned properly.
You really need state-of-the-art tools.
And blood and bodily fluids can transmit everything from hepatitis B to HIV if not disposed of according to health regulations.
The odor of decomposition is really severe. It permeates everything. It stays with you after you leave the scene and take a shower. You still smell it in your nose, hairs.
And actually, he was here so long that a neighbor dropped by and left a note for him.
Companies like Clean Scene are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A typical job can cost anywhere between $700 to a few $1,000s.
When you think you've seen it all, you'll see something that you didn't expect.
But it's not just murders and mayhem this team cleans up. Sweeping up after pack rats like this one can take days.
We get called for the most disgusting things that nobody else wants to handle.
When tragedy strikes, it's this team that can turn a crime scene back into home.
We have a motto that says, we clean, we care. We do this because we do care.
Homeowners insurance will sometimes cover the cleaning costs.